Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I also did want to talk a little bit about GameStop. It did have a nice rally right now from 172 up to 188. Like, what is it? 188.29. Notice that it threw a perfect wick at resistance at 188.29. The only way that I will be back into GameStop is if you close a bullish week. If GameStop manages to close a bullish week this Friday, I am going to be buying a shit ton of fucking calls. Historically, GameStop loves running so much after closing a bullish week. So if we do if we do close a bull week, expect me to buy at least back in a position in shares or calls, because I do think it'll rally hard as soon as another bullish week is closed on GameStop. And it's kind of weird, because if it does close a bullish week, this is probably the shortest bearish cycle that it's ever had on the weekly. So we'll see what happens. But again, if GameStop manages to actually close a bull week this week, and there's it's like 99% sure on Friday, like at 1 o'clock or like 12:30, that it's gonna close bullish, then expect 100% out of my part to possibly buy a couple calls out for like a month or so. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.